Domino LED panel is a universal LED panel with a Euro DIN busbar adapter designed for general retail lighting. The key feature of the luminaire is the possibility of choosing an optical system. There are 5 types of lenses available: diffuse, designed for low installation heights; deep, suitable for the luminaire's positioning at heights of 4 to 7 meters; semi-wide, increasing the vertical illumination on the shelves; asymmetric and double asymmetric, used to illuminate the perimeter of the store and highlight vertical surfaces. Such variety of beam angles, in combination with the universal busbar adapter, provides new opportunities for adapting the lighting system to alterations of the product placing. The luminaire can not only be moved along the track, but also can be rotated around its axis at an angle up to 180 degrees. Efficiency and reliability are highly important when choosing a luminaire for lighting retail facilities. A high-quality driver installed inside a lightweight steel housing guarantees compliance with the requirements for electromagnetic compatibility, the absence of pulsations of the luminous flux, and stable operation of the luminaire during 50,000 hours. The luminaire is available in the power range from 40 to 80 watts. The basic Domino LED panel color rendering index is more than 80. The color temperature is 4000 kelvins, but modifications with CRI more than 90 and various color temperature options are available on request. The luminaire is available in 3 most popular colors: white, black and metallic, and can be painted in any roll color on request. Domino LED panel. Play by your rules.